Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Here are the answers to the questions you were set yesterday. Two-step word problems, and you needed to work out the first part to help you work out the second part. So in the first question, the mass of a grapefruit is 1200 grams. A melon is 850 grams heavier than the grapefruit. What is the mass of the melon? So we know that the mass of the grapefruit is 1200 grams and that the melon is another 850 heavier. So this is the bar model that you should have drawn, showing that we don't know the mass of the melon, but we know the grapefruit is 1200 and the melon is 850 heavier than the grapefruit. So we add 1200 to 850 and the answer is 2050. So the mass of the melon is 2050 grams. And then in the second part, what is the total mass of the two pieces of fruit? So you may have, for this question, drawn a part-whole model like this, where you had the grapefruit was 1200 grams and the melon is 2050 grams, as we've just worked out. And then you want to work out what the total is. But we can also use the model that we already have. So we know that the grapefruit is 1200 grams. And we now know that the melon is 2050. And so we have this bracket here, which is enclosing both bar models, 1200 grams, 2050. And so we can use this bar model again and just put a different bracket on the side here, which shows that we're adding together the value of both of these models, not this part, because that doesn't have a bar model. That's just the difference between the two. But we know that we can add this bar model and this bar model together, and that will give us the mass of the two pieces of fruit. So 2050 grams plus 1200 grams is 3250. But we were asked to write the answer in kilograms and grams. So we know that 3 kilograms is 3000 grams. So we can partition the 3250 and then we're left with 250 grams because there's not enough grams there to make another kilogram. So we have 3 kilograms, 250 grams. And again, that's written in a number sentence. The total mass of the two pieces of fruit is 3 kilograms, 250 grams. I'm not going to go through all of the answers, but hopefully you've got an okay with these. If you pause the video and check each of your answers, purple polish as you go. And hopefully if you did make any mistakes, once you've checked your answer and you purple polish, you'll be able to work out where you've gone wrong. And then there's question 5. As ever, if you have gone wrong somewhere and you're not sure why and you can't work that out from seeing the answers, please do put a message on Purple Mash and we'll get back to you. So on to today's lesson.